In this video, I shall endeavour to expound upon the intricate facets pertaining to sucrose, more commonly known as sugar, and its profound impacts on our health. If you want to support this channel and would like to see more, before delving deeper into the subject matter, it is imperative to acquire a comprehensive understanding of the chemical composition of sugar. Sucrose is a disaccharide. It undergoes hydrolysis when it enters our body by an enzyme called disaccharidase. The constituents produced are glucose, which is essential for life, and its counterpart, fructose. When fructose enters the intricate corridors of the liver, it fosters a detrimental cascade, leading eventually to the manifestation of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Moreover, an additional consequence materializes as fructose deposits adipose tissue in the vicinity of vital internal organs. Individuals who acquire their calories mainly from sugar can still look slim if the calorie input is less than the output. However, they have fat inside their body. This condition is called TOFI, or thin on the outside, fat on the inside. This can have grave health implications including hyperlipidemia, heart disease, stroke, as well as diabetes. The American Heart Association states that women ought to limit their sugar consumption to approximately 24 grams and men to 36 grams per day. Therefore, it is imperative to check the labels carefully to make an informed decision and align your sugar intake with the recommended guidelines.
Bye-bye.
Don't forget to check out my book, The Obesity Solution. It's available on Amazon and the link is provided below. It has tips on weight loss, low-calorie recipes, and much more.